Worried about your hair loss? Then it's time for Elite MD.
When people think of traditional hair transplant technique, they think of hair plugs. They think of extensive surgery. They think of long recoveries. However, the Elite Hair Graft technique is the complete opposite of that.
This is a very precise procedure that allows us to transfer hair from the back of the scalp and implant it where we want in the front of the scalp to reveal a very natural result.
When I went to the other place, it looked like rows of trees. About every quarter inch, there was a group of hair. It looked really bad.
Look, no one should go through the traditional hair transplant technique. Let us show you why the Elite Hair Graft technique is superior in all ways.
Women performing this procedure has actually gone up over 500% just this year alone. Not only can we help with restoring your hair in the front of your scalp, but we can also help restore your eyebrows, especially if you've over-tweezed over the years.
When I started losing my hair, it was devastating for me. After Elite MD, I didn't see my scalp anymore. I had hair. I felt wonderful.
When I look in the mirror now, I feel confident, I feel younger, and I feel happy that I got my hair back.
Call or go online now for more information or to schedule a free, no-obligation consultation.
The staff is so friendly. They will answer your questions and you'll be happy with the results. I am.
Dr. Bansal is a sweetheart. I don't know that I've met any other physician like him who so sincerely cares about how you feel, how you look.
At Elite MD, we think it's an absolute honor when you choose us, and we don't take that lightly.
Not only do you look better, but you feel so much better.
Why suffer the embarrassment of losing your hair any longer? Call 925-807-7016 for more information or to schedule a no-obligation appointment. Call now and we'll waive the consultation fee. Plus, we'll take 10% off the procedure. Call 925-807-7016 or visit EliteMDSpa.com.